my name's Terry Cantor. I work for Centricare Health. The reason I came is I used to be the sysadmin for Solarwinds probably about 5 years ago, and I've come back into the same position again, and I realized that I need a lot more training on how to use it and get the most out of the application itself.
My name is Craig Bettridge. I'm from the Isle of Man. I work for a company called Dorovco. I'm a network engineer for the company, and I've been using Solarwinds products for a good 6-7 years, and I've never actually exposed my implementation of Solarwinds with anyone else.
My name is Paul Fierro. I'm an IT systems consultant with the City of Austin. Basically, we have been using Solarwinds for a number of years, but nobody is really taking ownership of the system. So we engaged Loop1 to come in and do a health check on our system. It's decided that there's some stuff that needed to be done. We're considering rebuilding the system, and they wanted to have somebody come in and actually get a full series of training on it.
My name is Sam Ido. I work for Gulf States Toyota, the Parts Distribution Center. I'm a system administrator, that's the name of my role. I primarily support the warehouse management system, the Oracle SQL side. What brought me here was to get a better understanding of how to utilize the software to better assist in how we do business.
My name is Jim Pierce. I'm a Solarwinds administrator for Windstream Communications out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. I came to Loop1 for both the 101 training and also the 201 training. This class takes it into a much deeper view of how to use the system in more of a cohesive way.
I've learned so much that I'm going to be reviewing the material again, but the ability to do an end-to-end monitoring on our systems and understand what's actually going on and hopefully provide useful data to the people in our organization.
Obviously, spending a lot of time with the product, you get to learn it intimately, but there's always that sense that you're not sure if you're doing it the best way. And being here, I've had the opportunity to compare my skills with 20-odd other people, which has been, for me, an amazing thing.
We've already run into a number of examples and circumstances where we have similar but not quite identical systems, but we've run into the similar types of problems. And working through examples with the instructor and with some of the other guys, it's shed some light on a number of things that we're doing one way that they're doing differently, and we both have found things that will change in our respective locations.
The big modules that I use are NPM and SAM, and for me, knowing that I can actually do more with SAM. There's a couple of things I learned on the second day that I'm still digesting, and I'm excited to get back to my office so I can get that implemented.
The DPA module, Database Performance Analyzer, I think that will greatly assist in how I observe the database, SQL Server. Right now we don't own that module, but I will definitely get my management to consider purchasing it. And so far so good. I've enjoyed training, and I hope to enroll in, I guess, version 3.
This has been one of the best training classes I've had. The material is very in-depth, easy to understand. The instructor is great. He takes the time to go into questions and show you the techniques and the processes to get stuff done without just bullying through the whole process.
You do a really good job of going through and kind of exposing, the students to Austin as a whole. In what's going on around the area, the Wednesday night happy hour, kind of gives you a chance to get downtown, where Austin obviously is known for a lot of its live music, and just kind of exposes you a little bit to that atmosphere. It makes you want to come back, honestly.
I could tell on day one when I saw Bill and he was talking, it was almost like he was jumping up and down. He was so excited to get the information out to everybody so that he could give them a better understanding of how Solarwinds really works. He's been very energetic, feeds us well, and I would say that overall he's been a very, very good instructor, positive attitude, And any questions, any type of help you need, he'll work with you to get your questions answered.
I enjoy the way he teaches. I mean, I didn't feel like I was lost or behind. He gives plenty of time to, ask questions. He explains everything very well. The visuals, of how he presents the training is excellent. So I would definitely recommend taking a class here at Loop1.